don't think I've had a straight razor shave ever. I know Harley likes a Dale inspired dash, so we're gonna pay close to that. But I like to just try to shape as much as possible. Keep the hair from going into the mouth, going too wild, and sticking out. Imperfect image. For trimming the mustache, I like to put the comb in over direct, right to the bottom of the lip line. Most modern mustaches want to keep right at that top line. I like to take rectangular towels, fold them from opposite corners, create a nice little tuck point so I can go into the shirt. Just gently place so you're not getting any shaving cream or anything on their clothes. Anytime I do a shave, I like to do multiple stages. I always clean the face first, do a full round of shaving cream and a hot towel. This helps remove any debris that is left over from the trimmer or the foil shaver, or if your client's just been working outside, any dirt particulates or anything. Makes for a smoother, more comfortable shave. Because ultimately, this is a hot towel shave now. It's kind of like a spa day, because it's not really necessary. Men can shave at home comfortably. We have been able to for years, so being able to do this is a comfort thing. Got a hot towel. I like to drape directly on the neck with the bottom. Fold to under the nose. Bring the corners up. This way everything is covered. Cheeks, chin, neck. While they're under the hot towel, prepare the razor. I like to check the towel periodically. Once it starts to feel a little cool, especially around the edges, the towel's cooling off, it becomes less comfortable. Wipe everything off. Use the towel to pull against the grain. Helps lift any remaining hairs and make for a more smooth shave. Save your initial towel. I like to set mine to the side in a clean area that won't be touched or used so it can cool off. We're going to use that at the end. Fresh shaving cream. While applying, be sure to work against the grain of the hair growth. In many states, you're not allowed to legally use a shaving brush because it can't be properly disinfected. So our hands have to become that brush. And it's just to agitate the hairs to get them to stand.
Yeah, for this I'm thinking yeah.
I tend to work mostly freehand. Use a decent amount of tension, but don't overstretch the skin. You want to just create a level of enough area for the razor to glide. When shaving, always watch out for any moles, anything like that. I tend to wipe off the shaving cream so I can see it. I saw someone in barber school not do that once. It was a very bad time. And now, since this is something that is a luxury, we'll do another hot towel. Always check the temperature on the inside of your wrist to make sure it's not too scalding hot. Remember, sleeping is extra. While they're under the hot towel, I like to switch blades out. I like to do 2 pass shaves. My second pass, usually a little quicker than the first. This is just to make sure we got everything that we can. Turn to your left. This stuff does not taste good, trust me. When I was in barber school, the guy that taught me how to do this said the goal is to turn it into glass. Now that's done. I like to come in with aftershave. Today it's level 3, Aqua. Work through everywhere the razor touched. And that cold towel that you used and set aside earlier, help close up the pores. This only needs to sit for a moment. How's that for you?
So smooth. My face hasn't been this smooth in years. So weird.
But nice.
Oh yeah. Very nice.